Hey guys, so my next recipe for the most amazing brownies, and I have shared brownie recipes before, but this one is classic, and I'm going to finish it with delicious caramel and nuts. And then we are going to finally make the little treat boxes that I've been talking about for the last 3 days. 280 grams of unsalted butter, 280 grams of dark 70% chocolate. I'm going to put it on some boiling water and melt together. So I've got a pan of boiling water. I'm just going to place this butter and sugar on top and very slowly let it melt together. So here I have got 5 large eggs and 450 grams of caster sugar. I'm going to now whisk it for 5 minutes until it's creamy, pale and fluffy. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a good pinch of sea salt. Then slowly add the melted chocolate into the eggs and sugar mixture and just blend it for a few seconds. And once it's all together, it will be really nice, chocolatey and creamy. Next, just sift in 200 grams of plain flour into this, and I'm just going to fold this all together as gently as possible so that I don't lose all the air that I've just created. Then just transfer this into a lined cake tin. This is going to go in a hot oven at 180°C, 160 fan for 30 minutes. And in a pan, I'm just going to caramelize 100 grams of caster sugar. And once it's done, I'm going to add 40 grams of unsalted butter to this and then just let it cook on a low heat. Next goes in 60 ml of double cream and just mix it well, let it bubble for a few seconds, and then your caramel sauce is ready. The brownies have baked for 30 minutes at 180°C and they're nicely done. And while the brownies are still warm in the tray, I'm going to drizzle just the caramel sauce I've just made, and you can go as crazy as you like. And finish with some chopped up pecan nuts and some roasted chopped hazelnuts all mixed up together. Just need a handful of that.
We haven't had one of your gooey brownies in so long.
Just समझ नहीं आ रहा कितने thick काटूं. Okay, go. So today I have been a bit more patient and I've left it to cool down completely, so a few hours. They're still so gooey, but at least they're not falling apart. See, I find it very tricky to decide where to cut. Oh my god, it's so gooey. That's a substantial size, isn't it? Oh, I'm so pleased with these. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my god, look, it's set. Gooey setness. Ooh, that's patience for you. Right, my taste tester is here. And
They're amazing. Your camera ones are definitely your best.
ah, thank you.
Gonna go eat it now.
So I have got these flat pack boxes online, and they are super simple. I've just got to make them, fold them into little boxes, and I will be then ready to fill it up with all the treats. So these boxes are ready, and I'm going to line them. I don't want to put food directly on this, so I'm going to line them with baking paper so that it's food safe as well. So you have seen the 3 bakes I made, the pistachio and clove cookies. Pistachio chocolate and clove cookies, and also some biscotti and the caramel and chocolate brownies. Oh my god, they were so yum. And also some blondies, which I made previously, the recipe video I made previously. I'm going to start assembling my boxes, and I'm going to place our lovely cookies that we made first. Then I'm going to place 2 of the brownies and also 2 of the blondies. And the last thing to go in is the biscotti. And that's going to fill the box just perfectly. And out of all the things I baked, I managed to make 7 boxes, in case you're wondering how many boxes I made out of all the goods. And this is the box ready to go in the post. I've wrapped them up with a little holly berries. And here are our cookies, biscotti. This one has got the brownies, and this one has got the blondies, because I first put it without the wrapping paper and then it was getting too messy, so I've wrapped them up in more baking sheets. Just put another layer on top, little festive berries, and a little note to say Merry Christmas, and that's it.